Look at
Monday!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Marsha TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video.
He was so busy trying to get the game time himself.
Did y'all see that? They honestly didn't even see that when I fell and bust my eye.
You ready to be awkward? No, I'm just playing. All right, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mason. Happy birthday to you.
I literally paid for it.
Ooh, they're cute.
Oh my god. Look at how Chloe looking at you. Come on. Get to the third one. You got to the second one.
Wait. How to do it?
Put your leg on the bottom. Yeah, then come around.
Mama, baby, you ain't going. You stand on the ground. You can't do it.
You doing good. You doing good. Look, now you got the monkey bars. Why you like? You got farther.
That was hard. Oh my god. Go, Mason. Go, Mason. You got this. You got it, Mace.
Mason did it. Go ahead, Mason.
Gotta flip it harder. There you go. Monday! Whoa! Wait. These people got me some money. Wait.
Your piggy bank.
It's something in there.
Headphones
Oh.
for the game.
Wow.
Uncle Jeremy got you headphones and a PlayStation.
Whoa.
Sonic, what kind of game is that? Sonic?
Yeah. And Knuckles.
Let me see.
How
Show
did
the
they
camera.
get that?
Show.
What is it? Oh, wow. It's a Sonic toy. Oh, you loaded. You loaded.